LL Trapster with AllStateAnimalControl.com, and today we are doing bird work. So here we just pulled out a big, gigantic bird's nest from inside of a chimney. Out, and we're going to burn it so we can destroy it. It was a big.
Sean, come over here.
About 7 feet tall, up and like stuck up in this chimney. So we collected it all, and we're just gonna burn it here to get rid of it.
I'll go away from that. I'll be over this side.
Today we're just burning a gigantic pile of bird nests we got out of a chimney, and it's filled with hay, grass, debris, wood, that dropping. I'm LL Trapster at AllStateAnimalControl.com. Come on, you gotta do it if you're gonna do it.
What?
Control. So here we have a big, gigantic bird's nest. I'm LL Trapster with AllStateAnimalControl.
You hear the boobs there too?
Yes.